Today, we will talk about how to start a friends with benefits relationship. Let's have a look at the details. The ideal friends with benefits relationship will let you have fun and hook up with someone whenever you're both in the mood without getting emotionally invested. Though it can be very tricky to navigate the territory between friendship and courtship, if you follow a few basic rules, you can have a no-strings-attached relationship where no one gets hurt. If you want to know how to start one, just be cool and follow these steps. The first method is picking someone. Pick someone who is available. This means available in all senses of the word, single being the most obvious definition. The person should not only be single, but he or she shouldn't be recovering from the end of a devastating breakup, dealing with the loss of a loved one, or so busy studying that he or she practically lives in the library. This person should be feeling fun, emotionally stable, and up for anything, especially hooking up with you. Pick someone who won't get too attached. Friends with benefits relationships often end because one person starts falling for the other. So, unless you want to date the person, or you don't care if the person gets really hurt, you should avoid someone who will get attached. Pick someone you already like. Keyword, like, not really like. This should be someone who you think is cute and fun to be around. You should like this person just as much as you like spending a day at the beach with your friends. Pick someone outside your social or work circle. Don't have a friends with benefits relationship with one of the members of the group of friends you've known since you were 5, or it'll lead to some serious awkwardness when the relationship ends. Typical friends with benefits relationships only last a few months, so don't pick someone you know you'll have to see all the time. Pick someone with experience. You should try to find someone who you know has had some experience hooking up. Even better if you've heard he or she is great in bed. Since that's what you'll be doing, it's good to have a sense that the person will deliver. The second method is hooking up. Flirt with the person. Start flirting with the person by teasing, playfully touching, or just paying attention to him or her. You're not trying to be coy here. You're looking for a hookup buddy. Start hooking up. Once the person is interested, you can start kissing or doing something more. Tell the person how attracted you are to him or her, but do not compliment that person's personality or say anything that makes it sound like you want to date. Set the ground rules. Ideally, you should have the talk before sex, so you know that both people are on the same page and that no one gets really hurt. Enjoy some hot sex. That's what having friends with benefits is for, isn't it? Have fun hooking up with your friend, letting loose, and trying the things you were too afraid to try with your old boyfriend or girlfriend. Keep up your communication. Make sure you're both into each other, but not too much. If you'll both be at a party, talk about how you'll act. And the third method is staying casual. Don't forget to see other people. Part of a no-strings-attached relationship means that you are free to see other people. If that's not what you want, then keep a lookout whenever you're out at a bar or a party. Look around and see if there are any other options for you. Keep it casual. You can hang out with your friend with benefits, but you need to make it clear that it's not a date. Keep doing your own thing. You can keep hooking up with your friend while having plenty of time to do all of the things you love during the day. Know when to say goodbye. There are 3 main reasons that a friends with benefits relationship ends. One person gets too attached. One person finds someone else he really wants to date, or both people just get bored and want to move on. The fourth reason is that there is a natural time-based end to the relationship, such as the end of a summer, the end of a long trip, or that one or both people are graduating. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.